Hello, guys. Um, I just want to discuss a sensitive topic. Don't be an unapproached mommy. Don't be that type of mother that is so wild that even your teenage children are unable to confine some certain things uh, in you. If you have come of age that people are under you, you have responsibility of taking on care of people who are under you, taking care of your own children, taking care of your siblings who are teenagers, taking care of your own children. You should be responsible and you should expect anything at any time. No matter how tough you may be, no matter how unapproachable you may be, try to be more approachable to these kids. Use diplomacy. Use diplomacy to roll them. Use a little bit of diplomacy, a little bit of jokes to make your children to always come closer to you. As women, we are responsible for their upkeep as teenagers. A good woman, sister, a good wife, if you have teenagers under your care, it is your responsibility to provide sanitary pads for them, rubbing oil for them, your responsibility to take track of their menstrual flow, your responsibility to educate them on the changes that they might go through when this period comes. You should be approachable. You should be so approachable in such a way that they will feel free to discuss anything. I mean, anything with their mommy. If you're a tiger mommy, those type of mommy that it is very difficult for a child to even speak in their home, let me tell you that you are beginning to feel like a mother. Be that woman that is a Roma. You should be that woman that is so very easily approachable to your kids. If you are unapproachable at home or in your job site, you shouldn't bring it to your home when you have teenage girls. I mean teenage girls in your home. I've seen a situation yesterday where a little girl started flaring and she knew nothing about what is happening to her. Absolutely nothing of what is happening to her. She thought she was busy covering it and she was wiping it, like trying to clean it up. And when I got there, I asked her, "What is wrong?" She was saying, "Auntie, I don't know what I step on something. I sat on a sharp something. I didn't even know when it pierced me. Blood is coming out of my body." And I was like, "Blood is coming out of your body? Can I see?" I saw it. Although I didn't go that close because of the country that we are living in. I didn't want to go that to invade somebody's privacy. I knew that it is time for her first menstrual flow, and she knew nothing about it. So you are not doing them good when you don't express these things with them. You don't discuss this with them. You are just making them to be more confused. Because to tell you the truth, that kid, that teenager, she was more confused. If she didn't case the mother told her that at this age you are going to see this type of thing, she would have run straight home when she saw it. She would have run straight home when she saw it. To either go and tell her mommy or tell her sister. So to save yourself the embarrassment, we have to be more approachable. We have to be more approachable. You have to discuss these things with your children. Buy sanitary pads. Put in your house. They should come every month. Don't give to them. They should be coming every month to take. Why I say they should come every month to take is you will get track of their records. You know, many children, you have these 5 fingers are not the same. Some children, they get matured so easily and they know a lot of things. So things like unwanted pregnancy, you'll be able to detect this at an early age. Because I hear some mothers say, "My child was pregnant in 4 months, I didn't know." How come you didn't know? Every month she have to come to you and tell you, "Mommy, I need sanitary pad." If you have workers You have domestic workers under you. They shouldn't give your children sanitary pads. You should be the one to give your children sanitary pads, and you should inspect. If you see them flowering, I get so comfortable every month if I see them have their menstrual flow. This one has come, this one has come, this one is coming. Even my kid sisters, they are coming. I'll get so comfortable. Now, thank God they are okay. Thank God they are okay. But how can you be so busy in such a way that a month will pass, 2 months will pass? You don't even remember whether your children came to you for sanitary pads. Then your child will get pregnant up to 4 months, 5 months. You don't know. If maybe as small as they are, don't say a period came and it did not come again. As small as they are, if they see it this month, next month, if it doesn't come, take them straight to the doctor. Let the doctor decide whether it's skipping is because it's just coming. Because some people it's normal. Some people will see that after maybe 6 months, the doctor should decide on that. They should make sure that everything is in check. Don't say, I trust my children, they will not do this or they will not do that. Is that overconfidence that parents are having towards their children that is making most of these children today, they are having unwanted pregnancy and everything like that? As far as they have come of that age, treat them as they are adults. Don't be so confident. If you don't know anything, don't doubt. Just go straight to the doctor. Let the doctor say that it's normal. Not that you saying that it's normal. So we should be more careful with our teenage children. So because it is your responsibility to protect them. If your child is having unwanted pregnancy today, mind you that you have contributed maybe 30%. Yes, because if you were vigilant and you were checking up on her, you would have maybe avoided this type of unwanted situation that is on ground. So you shouldn't put the blame only on the teenage child, because it's your responsibility. She's still a child. It's your responsibility to get track of whatsoever thing is going on with them. We should do better, okay? The world is evolving. There is technology. There is everything. Parents shouldn't be ashamed to discuss this with their kids, their teenage children, girl children. Discuss it with them, because you have some introvert kids that will not be able to learn it anywhere. They will just sit like that. You have to say it to them. You have to guide them.